Air fried, twice baked potatoes. Cooked perfectly. How beautiful is that? Well, that's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave, TheWildWaynes. We're gonna air fry some twice baked potatoes with a 400-degree preheated air fry basket. Put your potatoes in there. Oil them up real good. Fresh ground black pepper and salt. And some garlic powder on those potatoes. Flip them over. Let's do the same thing. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Alright. Let's throw them in the air fryer. 380 degrees for 20 minutes. Alright. Let's flip them over. Cool. Alright. Throw it back in at 380 degrees for another 20 minutes. Perfect baked potatoes. Let's cut up some green onions. 4 pieces of bacon. And 1 cheddar cheese mountain. Take that mountain and split it in 2. 3 tablespoons of butter sliced. First potato. Slice it, squeeze it. Take that potato, empty the potato out. You don't need that skin. The other 2 potatoes cut in half. Carefully take the potato out, just tracing the inside line of that potato skin. Add your butter, cheese, your green onions, your bacon. Don't forget, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little black pepper. Mixer does a good job. We forgot sour cream. Mix it up with a spoon, or mix it up with your mixer. Beautiful, creamy, fully loaded mashed potatoes. Fill your potato skins. Alright. Salt and pepper the top. Spray it with oil. We're going to throw it back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Make sure they're in there just right. Perfect potatoes. Great. Squish some cheddar cheese together. Set it on top. Gorgeous. Look at that potato spill over the edge, that skin.
Those are good potato.
That is so good. I love twice baked potatoes. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell. If you want to go to this recipe, click the link in our video's description. It'll take you right to this recipe on our website. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
Wow!